Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Porsche Macan. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take driving pleasure along on every outing in this athletic Macan. Engineered for excellence, this high-spirited, compact luxury crossover transforms an ordinary day into an extraordinary experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. World-class performance blends beautifully with SUV practicality in this Macan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.